Welcome back to Host.
On this episode, we take our flamethrower up against this here iPad.
But first, hey, go long. Oh! I wonder if we cracked it.
Oh, dude.
Oh, man.
Stuffed it.
Our buddy Richard has some butterfingers, and now we have a cracked iPad to destroy today.
I was always a lineman.
Man, does it work?
Huh? Yeah, actually, it still works, dude. Wait, I can't show everyone my password.
You just did.
No, I didn't. Yeah, it still works, dude. Yeah.
Look at that, man. This is perfect. All right, so our buddy dropped it a little bit. He didn't complete the pass.
Go give him a follow. He's my old college, not roommate, but college buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm still struggling there.
College dropout buddy.
We got the iPad here. It's a little damaged here, but still works perfectly fine. If this thing's anything like the iPhone we destroyed last video, it's not gonna work here in about 10 minutes. Let's see what happens. Damn, dude, this thing took a football pass pretty good, dude.
So, there's really not much to this video. I mean, y'all came here to watch an iPad get destroyed, so we'll jump right into it.
No clickbait here.
Nah.
We destroyed.
Hit that subscribe button. Woo! Just so y'all know, this is not a brand new iPad. This iPad is at least, what, 5 years old? It's like an iPad 2. So it actually belonged to my father. It got passed down to me, and I never really used it. With that said, my mom thought there was maybe something sensitive on there. You know, maybe some passwords or something. So she asked me if I could destroy it, which I replied to, yeah, we can. So that's why we're here today. Thanks, Mom.
Hell yeah, we can destroy it.
I don't want to hear all spoiled rich kid comments. This is an old ass iPad.
It's like an iPad 2, it's a 16 gig, Wi-Fi only.
Worth maybe $50.
We just threw it as a damn football, so
yeah.
Might as well light it on fire.
Yeah, like look at my truck. I don't have money, so I don't want any of those comments. That's Bondo. Bondo. All right, go for it.
Alright, here we go. Destroying the iPad in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. GoPro down, GoPro down! You good?
Are these explosives?
Oh, look at polymer, yeah.
The screen just fell apart in nice little pieces. There's like some liquid on the back of the screen.
I'll give it a shot.
You want to give it a shot?
Yeah, dude.
Go for it, buddy.
Do not do this at home. Here's that.
Let the cameraman try.
Don't do this at home. Do this at an abandoned cul-de-sac.
That's a lit ass iPad. Damn. Everybody back up. Go ahead and shut the flamethrower off. Now we're just gonna let it burn, see what happens. We did the same with the iPhone. This battery's gotta be a little bit bigger than that 5S, so let's see what happens. Oh, there it goes, there it goes.
Oh.
What? There it goes again.
That's pretty cool, actually. So surprisingly, the back of the iPad compared to the front isn't that bad. Like, it's still retaining the silver color.
It's kind of deformed a little bit, but part of me wants to like clean it up and take it to the Apple store.
That's a great idea.
Like, dude, this thing caught on fire in my backpack. What are you guys gonna do about it?
Sir, can I help you today? Yeah, what with? My iPad won't turn on. Oh, let me see. What the f?
Just be like, it's the damnedest thing, man. I don't know what happened.
Yeah, dude, I don't know what was happening. I was trying to buy some Novice Garage merch and it just combusted, dude.
Because the prices are so high.
Hey. Well, should we do it, guys? Should we do the ritual, boys? In the arms of the angel, fly away from me.
That was perfect.
That was good. That was good.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh my cameraman, you get a high five too.
A little upset.
Damn, dude. Demolished.
The logo looks
That's
like
crazy.
separating from the back.
I don't think we'll have to worry about any data leaks from this one.
No, it's not an Android, so it's okay. Wait, everyone, what do you got in your pockets? Go, go. What do you got? What the hell is that?
I got green apple chapstick.
Wait, where's your phone at?
It's plugged in it.
Well, he's got an iPhone too, so we're good.
Oh, is it in your prison wallet?
Nope, it's not there this time.
Right now, just like the iPhone, this one's not really on fire anymore, just smoldering a little bit. Let's find some sticks, dissect it, see what happened, and then
We'll get with the stick.
see if we can clean it up, dude. Let's take it to the fucking Apple store.
Have you tried turning it off and on again? Yep, that's the batteries.
All right, let's get some sticks, dissect it. Quit stepping on it, shit ass.
I'm moving it. What the hell is that?
It's left of the screen.
Well, at least the Apple's still good, man. Yeah, that's kind of cool, right? That's pretty cool.
You could sell this as like an antique.
Throw it up on Craigslist, $100, OBO, no low balls.
Brandon Park.
Sell it in, what is it, like antique iPad case?
We sell it on eBay, dude. All right, guys, that was lit. We just destroyed another Apple product. You guys' sucks. If it catches on fire. Oh, okay. Hold on, there's prereqs there. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this one. Again, thanks to our star wide receiver over here. He's got some battle wounds.
Yeah, did it for the team.
At least we don't have a Note 9 or whatever it is. The Galaxy Note that combusts in your
Does
pocket.
Joe have that piece of shit?
Those little hoverboards, those would like blow up too, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they blow up all the damn time.
Yeah, they blow up without getting a flamethrower to them.
Drop a comment right now. What do y'all want to see us destroy next?
Also, make sure it's not that expensive because we're still broke. Yep. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace. Woo!
Boy.
Hold on. Zoom in on him while he does that. That's my favorite to use at the end.
There was a focus. Do it one more time.
I'm gonna stutter them together.